my 2026 World Raid new kit. It has to be a Krapovich for the exhaust. This slip-on muffler is going to give me 1.7 extra kilowatts of power, 2.8 Newton meters of torque, and a reduction of weight versus the OEM exhaust of 1.6 kilograms. Next up are the Lone Rider Adventure bags, the rackless saddlebags for my Tenere. They do these in the 16, 45, and 70 litre version. I've opted for the 45. The Hex Innovate EasyCan Pure, a universal accessory manager. This is going to make the installation of other electronics to my motorcycle really simple. The very recognisable Lone Rider motor lights combined with the EasyCan from Hex Innovate, a powerful combination. The P14 air filter from Sprint Filters. It's a air filter for demanding conditions, so if you're doing a lot of off-road dust riding and things like that, perfect for that type of riding. The Innov N2. It's a universal smart display system designed for motorcycles. It can be installed on any motorcycle. It integrates support for cameras, GPS, and also external tyre pressure monitoring systems. So there you go, a host of high quality goodies being added to my 2026 Tenere World Raid. Don't forget to follow to see the progress and other updates.